Is our world ready to face the looming threat from above? As you can see, the impact of an asteroid on Earth can be catastrophic. It's not just a Hollywood scenario, it's a real threat that we need to take seriously. Asteroids, also known as space rocks or planetesimal, are remnants from the early formation of our solar system. Most of them are harmless, quietly orbiting the Sun. However, some of them pose a significant threat to our planet. One of the most famous examples of a close encounter with an asteroid was the Tunguska event in 1908, when a relatively small asteroid exploded over Siberia, flattening over 2,000 square kilometers of forest. Thankfully, no one was killed. Another significant asteroid event was the Chelyabinsk meteor explosion over Russia in February 2013. This event resulted in a powerful airburst that caused extensive damage and injuries, but it did not create a crater. These events serve as a reminder of the potential danger. Detecting asteroids is no easy task. Some are small and hard to spot until they are dangerously close. However, there is significant progress in this field. Detecting asteroids involves a blend of advanced technologies and methods. Ground-based observatories, using telescopes like optical, infrared, and radio, scan the night sky. Space-based observatories, such as NASA's NEOWISE and ESA's Gaia, provide a wider view. Sophisticated software tracks celestial objects, identifies potential asteroids, and predicts their orbits. Radar systems like NASA's Deep Space Network bounce radio waves off asteroids to refine their characteristics. This tech arsenal defends against hazardous asteroids, aiding their monitoring and Earth protection. Space telescopes like Hubble have played a crucial role in detecting and tracking asteroids. They help us identify potential threats well in advance. Now that we've discussed the threat, let's talk about what we're doing to protect Earth. There are several strategies in play. One innovative idea is the gravity tractor, a spacecraft that hovers near an asteroid, using its gravitational pull to subtly alter the asteroid's trajectory. This could steer it away from Earth. Another strategy is the Kinetic Impactor. This involves sending a spacecraft to collide with an asteroid, changing its speed and direction. It's like a cosmic game of billiards. Addressing this threat requires international cooperation. Organizations like NASA and the European Space Agency are working together to develop asteroid deflection missions. One such mission is NASA's DART mission, which aims to test the kinetic impactor technique on a small asteroid called Didymos. Beyond space agencies, public awareness is vital. Understanding the risks and potential consequences motivates action. The B612 Foundation is a nonprofit organization dedicated to protect Earth from asteroid impacts. They focus on raising awareness and funding asteroid detection programs. While the asteroid impact threat is real and potentially catastrophic, humanity is not sitting idly by. We're actively working on detection, deflection, and international cooperation to safeguard our planet.